So Birim have come to Giant Wafer Studios in Llanbadarn Fynydd in the heart of Mid Wales to research and develop some new music. Birim, we're a jazz sextet and we've been playing a combination of Welsh folk tunes and jazz for a few years. So we're very grateful to the Genesis Foundation for giving us a Kickstarter funding to allow us in this time of coming out of COVID to come and try and create some new art that's reflective of our time. So both looking back and forward. So in this session in the studio, we're researching some art from immigrants who came to Wales in particular and reflecting that in our music, trying to create some new music which reflects positively on the future for Wales and how important multiculturalism is to Wales and our culture and our music, of course. And it's a great joy and privilege to play with some of these great musicians. You've got Mark O'Connor on the drums, Dave Jones on piano, Aidan Thorne on bass, Patrick Rhymes on pipes and flutes and other miscellaneous instruments, and then Daniel Williams, my brother, on tenor saxophone.
Well, in some ways I think the project is about questions of citizenship and identity and national identity. Coming out of COVID, you know, a lot of social pressures are becoming apparent. The root of the project, in a way, was exploring the internal diversity of Wales itself.
We're extremely grateful to the Genesis Foundation for this Kickstarter fund, which has allowed us to come to the studio. Without that money, this project simply wouldn't be possible. So we're very grateful for them to select us and to allow us to come and create some creative new Welsh music.
Jazz brings people together while at the same time allowing every individual a voice. And it's kind of a model, really, of national citizenship. So in bringing Welsh folk traditions and jazz together, exploring questions of people's movements across time and across geographies, I think we're exploring something that's important to us, but is also important right now in Wales and in the world more generally.
You know, traditional music and jazz seem like quite unlikely bedfellows. I think that these traditional songs and melodies are a really great canvas in order to, you know, explore musically and to be expressive. The only slight regret I have is that the instrument that I'm playing is so limited compared to everybody else. You know, when Dave's adding these amazing colours on the piano and Mark's is just like pushing the envelope rhythmically, and I'm sort of playing a thing which, you know, you can play 7 notes on a good day and very little opportunity for sort of rhythmic expression. But hopefully the end result is, you know, once everybody's working together, hopefully it's you know, sort of a pleasant experience.
So in reaction to some of this art, we've been working up a few suites, and so they're a combination then of folk tunes, some jazz improvisation, and other elements or other folk tunes. So that's what we're creating here, and that's what we're working on in the studio, is to create some new music with all these elements that is reflecting on some of these great paintings where people have come to and contributed to the Welsh cultural life.